Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can collect the puzzle 4 in the new challengers EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So the puzzle pieces 4 is on. And before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game and still confusing how this game is works and how to complete the challenge, complete the quest so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap the play button, tap live events, and tap welcome to FC Mobile. So tap this new challengers event, collect all puzzle pieces to unlock the rewards. The reward itself, this possible reward, this welcome player guarantee reward, 85 until 93 top transfer player. So make sure you have done this first, the second, the third, and right now the puzzle pieces 4 is on. You have to done this 4 puzzle 1 2 3 4 and you can unlock this reward. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. Enjoy the game.